Me and you can do a video together, Mommy. They love you. She's a pest, isn't she? Okay, let me see if I can show you Dora up there. Are you watching me, Kiki? Dora, leave Grandma alone, dang it. Oh yeah, you telling her, huh? Dora, come here. Come here, Dory. No, come here. They like you kitties. Ow. I'm not gonna show you Badgie. See, there's my badger. Oh, what's all? Look at his brown eyes. Look at them big old brown eyes. Look at you, Badgie. He loves a puppy. He's like, I don't like myself. Take me off camera. I just felt like showing this off. I hadn't actually shown this one. I tried to, but didn't like the video. My hair is a mess, I know, so just ignore that. Bye. Thank you for watching.